AI won't replace you, but someone using AI definitely will. The question isn't whether the robots are coming for your job. They already came. The real question is, what are you doing about it? Every few years, the world changes. Printing press, electricity, internet, and now, artificial intelligence. But here's the truth most people miss. AI doesn't destroy opportunity, it multiplies it. Those who learn to use it become faster, smarter, and more creative. Those who don't get left behind. Think about it. The entrepreneur who uses ChatGPT to write proposals finishes in minutes, not hours. The creator who uses AI to edit videos uploads 10 times faster. The student who learns with AI tutors outgrows classmates who refuse to try. It's not magic, it's leverage. The people who fear AI are the ones who think it replaces their mind. The people who embrace and understand, it amplifies their mind. You don't lose your value by using AI. You expand it. You move from being a worker to being a thinker, from follower. So no, AI won't replace you unless you stand still, because the future belongs to those who learn, adapt, and build with the tools of tomorrow. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. I'm Beast of Business, and this is how we grow smarter for the next generation. Subscribe, and let's build greatness together.